Hello viewers, I am Priya Gulati and welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. If you like my today's video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach chapter coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 question number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral form if any by the following points and give reasons for your answers. These are the four coordinates given for the four vertex of the quadrilateral -3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3, -1, -4. So in order to do this type of questions, you need to know properties of certain types of quadrilaterals, and those properties are like this. These are the properties which are based on distance formula and midpoint formula of your coordinate geometry chapter. So look at these properties. You have to learn these properties. Suppose if the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then what you will have to show? You will have to show number 1, the pairs of opposite sides are equal in length. Number 2, coordinates of the midpoint of both the diagonals are equal, right? The given quadrilateral, second is the given quadrilateral will be a square if all four sides are equal in length and diagonals are equal in length. So these are the two conditions you will have to show in order to show that the given quadrilateral is a square. Number 3 is rectangle. The given quadrilateral will be a rectangle if both the pairs of opposite sides are equal in length. Number 2, diagonals are also equal in length, right? The number 4 is rhombus. The given quadrilateral will be a rhombus if all four sides are equal in length. Coordinates of midpoint of both the diagonals are equal. Number 3, diagonals are not equal in length. So these are the properties of certain types of quadrilaterals which you need to know. So let us come to our question. So these were the coordinates given to you for all the four vertex of the quadrilateral. So let us draw this figure. Point A, let point A, B, C, D. We are giving the name to all these four vertices as A, B, C, D, and draw this figure and write down the coordinates of vertex A -3, 5, coordinates of vertex B 3, 1, coordinates of vertex C 0, 3, coordinates of vertex D as -1, -4. Now what do you see in this figure? If I draw a diagonal, the diagonal of a quadrilateral will always divide it into two triangles, right? So first of all, I consider this triangle ABC. The diagonal AC of the quadrilateral divides it into two triangles. So what I will do, I will find out the lengths of the three sides of this triangle, and we will make use of one theorem. So first of all, we will find out the length. So for distance AB, use the formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root. So finding the distance of AB means this point will be your point A is representing x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. So substitute the values in this formula. So what are you get? You will be getting 3 minus minus 3 whole square. So 3 minus minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square will be 1 minus 5 whole square. So I write down 1 minus 5 whole square, and this is square root. Rest is calculation. Next step mein this will become 3 minus into minus gives you plus. So 3 plus 3 whole square, and this will be minus 4 whole square, and this gives you 6 square. This gives you 16. Add them. 36 plus 16 gives you root 52. So this is factorization. 13 into 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So it will come out from the square root sign. So you will get 2 root 13 units. Means the distance, the length of the side AB of this triangle ABC is 2 root 13 units. So this was your length AB. Now let us find out the distance side BC of this triangle. I have drawn the figure again on this page for your convenience. This was your quadrilateral, this was your diagonal, and triangle ABC we are considering. For this distance BC, again write down the distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So for this distance BC, 3, 1 is x1, y1, 0, 3 is x2, y2. Substitute the values in this formula. So x1 minus x2 whole square will be 3 minus 0 whole square. So I write down 3 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square will be 1 minus 3 whole square. So 1 minus 3 whole square, and this is square root. Rest is calculation. This will give you 3 square. This will give you minus 2 square. So you get 9 plus 4, which gives you root 13 units. So BC length is root 13 units. Now let us use distance formula to calculate the diagonal AC. So distance AC will be given by, again use the distance formula, square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now for this point A, this minus 3 comma 5 is x1 comma y1, and 0 comma 3 is x2 comma y2. Substitute the values in this formula. So what will be your x1 minus x2 whole square? It will be like this, minus 3 minus 0 whole square. So I write down minus 3 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square will be 5 minus 3 whole square. So I write down 5 minus 3 whole square. Next step, this will become minus 3 whole square, this will 2 square. So this gives you 9 plus 4. Again this comes out to be root 13 units. So what do you notice in these three distances AB, BC, AC of triangle ABC? In triangle ABC, AC plus BC. AC we have calculated out root 13 and BC is also root 13. So if I add these two sides, I will get root 13 plus root 13, which will give you 2 root 13. Right, now come to this side AB. Side AB, as I can show you, we have calculated as this was your side AB was like this, 2 root 13. So I write down side AB as 2 root 13. So what do you observe here, that AB plus BC is equal to AB. And you already know one theorem we have studied in your 9th standard about a triangle. The theorem is like this: the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Right, so but what you are getting, these are the sum of two sides of this triangle ABC is equal to the third side. But the theorem is like this: sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Because it is not greater than the third side means this triangle ABC is not possible. If this triangle is not possible, so I write the quadrilateral ABCD is also not possible. So in this question, what you see, there is no quadrilateral at all possible with the help of given 4 coordinates of the vertex. I hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.